Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are serious about mastering C# in 2025, you are in the right place. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced developer looking to level up, this ultimate C# roadmap will guide you through every step of the journey. We will cover everything from the basics of syntax to advanced topics like cloud computing and game development. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. So, first understand what is C#. So, C# is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft as part of its .NET framework. It is designed for building a wide range of applications, including web, desktop, mobile, and game development. C# combines the power of C++ with the simplicity of Java, offering strong type safety, garbage collection, and robust error handling. It supports features like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, making it ideal for enterprise applications. With its integration into .NET Core, C# enables cross-platform development, allowing developers to build applications that run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Here the question arises why learning C# is important. So, the answer is C# is stronger than ever. With .NET 9 expected to launch by the end of 2025, Microsoft continues to improve its performance, making it a top choice for cross-platform development. Whether you are building games in Unity, web applications with ASP.NET, or enterprise software, C# remains one of the most in-demand languages. And let's talk job market. C# developers are in high demand, with salaries rising every year. Learning C# now means securing a future-proof career. By the way, if you want to learn more about C#, then enroll in our full course C# Programming Masterclass on our website. The link is mentioned in the description box. Let's dive in the guide. Beginner level, laying the foundation. If you are just starting, focus on the fundamentals. Here's your action plan. Set up your environment. Download Visual Studio 2025 Community Edition. It's free and beginner-friendly. Install the latest .NET SDK, and you are good to go. Master core C# syntax. Start with variables, data types, loops, and conditionals. Write simple console applications like a calculator or a number guessing game. Learn object-oriented programming in short OOP. C# is built on OOP principles. Understand concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Debugging and tools. Visual Studio's debugger is a lifesaver. Learn to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and fix errors efficiently. By the end of this phase, about 2 to 3 months, you will be comfortable writing simple applications and understanding C# core logic. Intermediate level, building real projects. Now, let's step up your game. Here's what to focus on. Advanced C# concepts. Learn LinQ for efficient data manipulation. Master delegates, events, and async or await for handling tasks. Understand the .NET ecosystem. Learn about .NET 9 and ASP.NET Core. Build a simple RESTful API for a to-do list app. Work with databases. Use Entity Framework Core to connect your apps to databases. Start with SQLite, then move to SQL Server for more complex projects. Build your first big project. Create something meaningful, like a personal blog or task management system. Deploy your project on GitHub or Azure. This stage typically takes 3 to 6 months. By the end, you will have a strong foundation and portfolio-ready projects. Advanced level, becoming a C# pro. At this point, you are ready to specialize. Choose your path. Game development with Unity. Learn Unity's C# scripting API. Build a small 2D or 3D game and publish it. Web development with ASP.NET Core and Blazor. Develop interactive web apps using Blazor. Work with authentication, security, and performance optimization. Desktop and mobile apps with .NET MAUI. Create cross-platform applications that work on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Performance optimization. Understand garbage collection and memory management. Use profiling tools to make your code more efficient. Cloud and microservices. Learn cloud deployment with Azure or AWS. Work with Docker and Kubernetes for scalable applications. Contribute to open source. Join C# projects on GitHub. Fix bugs, submit pull requests, and build credibility in the community. This stage can take anywhere from 6 months to a year. At this point, you are ready for senior level roles or even freelancing. How to stay updated with C# in 2025. C# evolves fast, and staying ahead is crucial. Here's how. Follow Microsoft Build 2025 for the latest .NET 9 features. Engage with the C# community on Reddit, Discord, and LinkedIn. Practice daily on LeetCode, Code Wars, or HackyRank to sharpen your skills. Build side projects to reinforce what you have learned. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to supercharge your C# roadmap in 2025. Master unit testing early. Learn a testing framework like XUnit or NUnit right from the intermediate stage. Writing tests for your code like checking if your calculator adds correctly makes you a better developer and a job magnet. Leverage AI tools. Use AI assistants like GitHub Copilot or, dare I say, Grok from XAI to explain tricky concepts or generate code snippets. Just don't copy-paste without understanding. Explore C# 13 features. With .NET 9 expected in late 2025, C# 13 might bring goodies like enhanced pattern matching or performance boosts. Check Microsoft's C# docs or X posts for previews and experiment early. Build a portfolio as soon as possible. Even at the beginner level, push your projects to GitHub. A simple calculator or blog API shows initiative. Recruiters love seeing real code over just a resume. These tips will give you an edge. Start small, but think big. That's your complete C# roadmap for 2025. Whether you are a beginner or pushing into advanced topics, this plan will guide you to success. Which stage are you at right now? Let me know in the comments. If this guide helped you, smash that like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next one. Let's keep learning together.